Okay, we're gonna go for a little walk. Oh, what do we got here? Where are you going, you little fucker? Okay. The black frogs you can't eat. The green frogs you can eat. That's what I was told anyway. And it does taste like chicken. I've had the frog legs. That one's a little small. But if you're hungry enough, you'll eat anything. There's another good spot for snakes or a rat. And these coconuts, somebody, I don't know what it is, something badass is eating through the coconuts. I don't think they have coconut crabs this far inland. Maybe a rat or something. Where are we going? We're going down here. Oh! There goes my foot. This is where the ladies do their laundry. Them holes in the ground are, I believe that's clay. There's a little spring down there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Natural spring water, especially after a rain. And these fuckers are putting a lot of water to run down here too. If they're quick, they can catch that chicken for lunch. I can't see shit. I'm not brave enough to walk across that yet. Another thing that will mess you up is bamboo. Bamboo's no joke. You cut it, it makes a nice sharp edge. And it will poke a neat little hole in your leg, or in your foot, or in your leg, or in your ass, wherever you get poked. It will ruin your day. They had a kid in Singapore or Malaysia or somewhere, I don't know, 5-10 years ago, got caught spray painting. And they caned his ass. I think it was 3 times with bamboo. What they do is they get some bamboo and they split it. And they beat your ass with it. And it's not like getting hit with a regular stick. There's a good spot. It will splinter into 1,000 little strands that are as sharp as razor blades. So picture a stick with razor blades on it, whipping your ass. That's why he only whipped him 3 times. One, because he's a white guy and he probably couldn't take it. So they let him off easy with 3. But yeah, fuck that guy. My opinion is, you get caught screwing around, you can't say, I'm an American. She can't punish me that way. Well, asshole, you're in somebody else's country. You follow their rules. You follow their punishments. You can't, what do they say? Can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. There's a big bamboo stand there. Not too hot in the shade. All these bananas, oh, there's some bananas. Let me zoom in on that. Those are almost ready. Yeah, fuck that guy. And I got a stick stuck in my sandal. Yeah, always wear gloves if you're out here with bamboo and everything else. This is going to be the new path. We're going to build a fence. The laundry tree is ours. Wherever you see the stuff cut down there is ours, and then this is somebody else's land. We're going to put a fence down there. Probably leave the laundry open or make a new one. So this will become a path for all the people who live back here. Hopefully they'll follow it instead of cutting my fence. Oh, there's a hole. It's been raining for a couple days, which is good because it's been pretty damn hot. Everybody can fill their water tanks, rainwater. Cools down for a little bit. It's still humid, but it's not stifling hot where 80 degrees feels like 110 with the humidity. Where are we going? I haven't been this way. Oh, looks like somebody has a fence there. All right, let's not go this way. Oh, there's a grasshopper. I'm looking for spiders. I'll see the bags they put over the fruit. That's a jackfruit or lanka they call it. There we go. It's a big ass fruit. Looks like a durian. And they put a bag over it to keep they got a couple bugs that will lay eggs inside of it. And the bugs can't fly up vertically or down vertically, so as long as they cover the fruit, the flies can't get in and lay eggs and rot out the fruit. The rats can get in, so that's why they cover the whole thing. Alright, I'm getting tired. That's what the lanka looks like. Those are already, see the big hole in it? The birds and the rats get into it. If you don't cover it up, then it gets eaten. Not too big a deal. Most people don't sweat too much around here. They go with the flow. It's a pretty steep hill. It's almost vertical. Let's see if I can fall down and kill myself. I'll be ant food. What I'm doing, I'm looking for some spiders back in our land that the guys cleaned up. They chopped everything real short, so that includes all the spider webs and stuff, so you can't really find any of the big spiders. I'm gonna go down here and hope I don't run out of gas coming back.